What's up guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make your YouTube homepage blank. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open YouTube in your web browser. If you're signed in, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Sign Out. Once you're signed out, your YouTube homepage will no longer show personalized recommendations. If you want a blank homepage while staying signed in, click your profile picture and select your data in YouTube. Next, scroll down and click Manage your YouTube watch history. Click Delete, then choose Delete all time to remove your watch history. After that, go back to YouTube and refresh the page. Your home page should now display a message like try searching to get started instead of personalized video recommendations. You can also click history from the left sidebar and select clear all watch history to achieve a similar result. And that's it. That's how you can make your YouTube homepage blank. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.